Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is about subtraction of decimal. Okay, let's go. So, in adding and subtracting decimal and mixed decimal, we're going to write the decimal numbers one another and the other. A decimal point aligned with one column or align it vertically, and then use 0 as placeholder if necessary, and to add or subtract as a whole number. And for addition, we're going to carry the next higher place value column when necessary. For subtraction, you're going to borrow the next higher place value column when necessary and place the decimal point directly below the decimal points of the addends or the minuends and subtract. So to further analyze how to add and subtract decimals, let's have some example. Example number 1, we have 25 and 3 tenths plus 4 and 482 thousandths is equal to n. So first, align the two numbers vertically. Take note, the first step is to align the decimal point vertically. And then as you can see, the number of place value of the first decimal is in the tens place, and then the second decimal, the place value is in the thousands place. Take note. So if the two decimal numbers have different number of place value, therefore make it the same. So by adding 0. Now, the two decimal numbers have the same place value of thousands place. Now, let's proceed to addition. So, 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. 0 plus 8, the answer is 8. 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. 5 plus 4, the answer is 9. And then bring down 2. Take note, you're going to write your decimal point. Bring down it. And therefore, the answer is n is equal to 29 and 782 thousandths. Let's have another example. So this time we have 649 thousandths plus 24 thousandths. So let's align the decimal point vertically. So as you can see, the number of place value for the first decimal is in the thousands place, and also in the second addends is 24 thousandths place. So we have the same number of place value. Therefore, let's proceed to addition. 9 plus 4, the answer is 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 2, the answer is 7. And then 6 plus 0, the answer is 6. And then 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. Therefore, place your decimal point. Therefore, the answer is 673 thousandths. So, this should be in a thousands place. Number 3, we have 12 and 7,531 10,000 plus 24 and 324 thousandths. So let's align the decimal point again vertically. Okay, as you can see, we need to add 0 to make the two decimal same number of place value. Then add 1 plus 0, the answer is, this should be 1, not 3. This should be 1. So, align vertically. 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. 5 plus 7, the answer is 7. 3 plus 7, the answer is 10. 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4, the answer is 7. And 1 1 plus 2, the answer is 3. And then don't forget to bring down your decimal point. Therefore, the answer is 37 and 773 10,000s. Okay? Now, number 4. So we have 3 decimal numbers. We have 7 and 823,000 plus 1,253 10,000s and plus 1 and 293 10,000s. Now, let's align the decimal point vertically. Okay, and then place 0 if needed to make the place value the same. So we have 10,000s place, 10,000s place, and 10,000s place. Now proceed to addition. 0 plus 3 plus 3, the answer is 6. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 9, the answer is 17. 7, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2 plus 2, the answer is 7. And then 8 plus 1, the answer is 9. Okay, and then 7 plus 0 plus 1, the answer is 8. Then don't forget to place your decimal point. Therefore, the final answer is 8 and 9,776 10,000s. For number 5, this would be a subtraction. Now, we need to subtract 863 and 76 hundredths minus 31 and 43 hundredths is equal to n. So align the decimal point vertically and then make the two fractions the same number of place value. So this would be in the hundreds place and then this would be also in the hundreds place. Now, if the two decimal number have the same number of place value, therefore proceed to subtraction. 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. And then bring down 8. And then don't forget to place your decimal point. Therefore, the final answer is n is equal to 832 and 33 hundredths. Now proceed to question number 6. We have 5,738 10,000s and then minus 3,524 10,000. Align the decimal point vertically. And then if the two numbers have the same number of place value, proceed to subtraction. 8 minus 4, the answer is 4. 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. And then 0 minus 0, 0. So place your decimal point. Therefore, the answer is 2,214 10,000. Okay? Then we have 73 and 6 hundredths minus 32 and 239 thousandths. So align the decimal point vertically and then place 0 if possible to make the two decimal numbers have the same number of place value. So let's proceed to subtraction. 0 minus 9 cannot be, so we need to borrow it from 6. 1 from 6. So 6 becomes 5. And then 0 becomes 10. And then 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. And then 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. And then 0 minus 2 cannot be, borrow it by 3. 3 becomes 2. 0 becomes 10. And 10 minus 2, the answer is 8. 2 minus 2, the answer is 0. 7 minus 3, the answer is 4. And then don't forget to place your decimal point. Okay, therefore the final answer is 40 and 821,000. Okay, so remember in adding a decimal numbers, you need to write the decimal numbers in vertical column and then in one order and the other, and then place the decimal point vertically and then use 0 as a placeholder if necessary. Now, to add and subtract a whole number for addition, carry next higher place value column when necessary. For subtraction, you need to borrow from the next higher place value column when if necessary, and then place the decimal point direct below the decimal points of the addends and minuends, and then subtract. So to practice your skills, answer it on your notebook or comment down the answer in the comment section below. For number 1, what number added to 5,672 to give 1? And then number 2, by how much should 18 and 32 hundredths be decreased to get 11 and 67 ten thousandths? And then what is the sum of 9,231 ten thousandths, 43 and 2 hundredths, and 2,309 ten thousandths? What should be the sum? For number 4, what should be added to 3 and 298 thousandths to get 6? And then for number 8 and number 5, the sum of 9 and 5 tenths, 3 and 7,521 ten thousandths subtracted from 28 and 4,321 gives what number? So write the letter of the correct answer. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone and God bless.